So we have here the VAIL X Series brush cutter that we have done a ton of work with and has performed amazing. So we're to the point where we need to sharpen some blades. So that's where we're at right now. See if we can get a little better cut. Stay tuned. We'll do some sharpening. Real quick, I'm not a professional. Don't know if what I'm doing is 100% right, but it feels right. The old DeWalt grinder doing some amazing things here. Just picked this up yesterday from the old Lowe's Nose home improvement. Went ahead and did the 11 amp version so we didn't have no bog down. I've already done this one, but I think I'm gonna clean up the end of it a little bit, which I didn't do. Here we go. Clean this little edge up here a little bit better. Ow! Yeah! Horsefly.
Still going after you. I saw it go that way, and then it came back this way.
Suckers hurt.
I know. I'm so sick of horseflies. Oh, it's like right over here now. I don't know. You'll feel it if it's on you. Ah! It's on me! Stop! Ah! Ah! It's trying to get me! It really is.
All right, here we go. Call that good. Hoping it didn't take off too much. Whew. Pretty sharp. Might take it for a little spin. See what it does. Because it wasn't cutting grass for nothing. That's pretty sharp.
Oh,
though.
Sugar pie.
Yeah,
oh,
you really
good.
don't want to do that, but
I mean,
so
like,
far off.
Well,
It's still got a lot of meat there, so.
It's got a lot of meat. Here's the meat. Dude, you did a good job. volleyball. Right. Yeah, don't get it. Thank you, buddy. Man, these horse flies have bit me like 3 times. It's hurting. They're gonna keep biting me. Get them off me. Like 4 or 5 times now. Look at them. Oh my God. Will you be my protector? Hi, bunny bear. Hi, baby. It's a bunny bear. You already went swimming. You're still wet. We'll let you go swimming in a minute. Mommy, sweet baby. Oh, that's grapefruit. That's grapefruit. Get the lemongrass oil. Ouch. There's so many rocks over there. It's working, Parker. Lemon oil works good. Get my wings right back there. Yeah, right there. Put lemon oil on my back. Okay, thank you. These suckers hurt. We killed like 4 or 5 though. Shouldn't burn. It shouldn't burn. The lemon oil?
Yeah.
No, it shouldn't burn. Mine's not burning.
Could be allergic.
You're not allergic to anything, my love. Shouldn't be burning. Yeah, but they shouldn't go on me. Oh my God, it looks so much better. My sunflowers are done growing. They didn't do so good. I did corn and sunflowers. I like started them all along this row, all the way down, and they kind of did random stuff. So it's just time to get rid of it. It's so overgrown. You can't even walk over here to enjoy anything. There's the pond. If you subscribe, you've seen the pond getting built. It's right there. So just proximity is right here to the north and the west of our house. That is all the Tulsa skyline, and there's our house right there. Is he gonna get the wheat that I planted last year? We don't let the goats out anymore because they have their own barnyard. So what is he doing? He's probably trying to keep the trees down if any are growing. tell you that we just put lemon grass essential oils on, and those darn horseflies stopped biting us. Thank goodness, because it's so impossible to be outside in the evening time. Did it stop on you? That was weird. You're a weirdo.
You licked me.
I didn't lick you. Was that, do you have any bug bites anymore? It stopped for me too. Yay! Okay, speaking of, I think you're having a reaction to lemongrass. Your whole back has spotches. So let's get in the shower. Go straight in the shower. Go in the shower. Go straight in the shower and scrub your whole back with soap.
I can't scrub my back. You have help?
Go. Go scrub your back.
After sharpening the blades, it definitely cuts way better than it did before. So definitely happy. We got a lot more cutting to do. We're going to start that in the next couple of days when we move up. We'll be sure to let you see that in progress. Have a great day.
So, sharpening the blades, doing a little bit of cleanup on the back side, the west side of the house. Sunflowers were done, so he got rid of them and all the weeds. So, we will see you next time. Right now, if you would like, go ahead and subscribe. The bottom right corner, hit the little subscribe button if you want to keep seeing what we're doing on the homestead. It will greatly help us produce more videos. We're trying to get more subscribers and more likes and more minutes and more time so we can get monetized. So please subscribe. Please share with your friends if you like our content. Have a great night. Bye-bye.